What are you doing? I got all this bread cut up, and I got my soup that I made earlier right here. And I'm going to sit here and talk to you while I eat my soup and bread. So earlier, this is so good. Earlier, I posted a video on TikTok from where I made dinner, and I had made some homemade Alfredo sauce, but I also used a jar of red sauce for my chicken parm, right? Some woman without a profile picture came up on my comments saying, "Oh no, jarred sauce." That's how I feel about that. Anyway, she didn't even have a profile picture, y'all. Imagine that. It's always those kind. So anyway, what have y'all been up to? Yeah, it's been a lazy day here. I did cook. I'm about to go to bed. My doggies are waiting on me. My husband's already asleep. This is one of the most unhealthiest things that I do. I can almost eat about a half a loaf of bread, a big loaf, with dipping it into my soup. But it's so good. Potato soup. This is why I can't stay, why I'm not skinny. Because I can't leave breads or carbs alone. It's so good. So what'd you make today? What'd you cook for dinner? Or eat? Whatever. I know some people don't cook. And that's okay. There's a lot of people like me who do. And who love to feed people who don't. Like me. I love to feed everybody. I got 3 more left. I don't know what I started with. I still got dirty dishes in my sink over here. I'm not washing them. They can wait till morning. Come on, Jake. You want a bite? Come on, buddy. You want some? Come here. Mommy will give you some. My buddy Jake's right here. He wants a bite. Hold on. It's got to cool off. It's really hot. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jaker. He likes it. I love this stuff. It's really hot because I warmed it all up. Well, there's not but a little bit left. So good. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish these 2. I'm going to finish this 1, and then I'm going to let y'all go. But I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be back. I'll be making something tomorrow. I'm thinking about homemade vegetable soup. Another bite, Jake? Another bite? It's hot, buddy. Let Mom cool it. Ooh. Come on. Come on. He likes it. I might as well finish my last piece. And then I'll let y'all go. That sweet tea in my cup. Alrighty. Thank you for hanging out with me while I have my night snack. I always have me something to munch on before bed. Normally not a half a loaf of bread, but that's alright. And this is all of it. I'm gonna give one piece to Jake and the other to me. Come here, Jake. Come here, bud. I put my bra on so I can talk to y'all. I'm gonna take it back off. I'm going to bed. Love y'all.